shown in the video. So for the two cells we need a holder, cell holder for two cells. Here the negative side has a flat side of cell, and just like a one spring, here this is the plus. One switch also needed. This is the LED indicator for the battery level of cell. Here is the plus and minus. So we need one wire also to connect that cell. First check the positive and negative side of the cell holder and add the cell in it. Connect positive wire as a current wire to switch, and then from the switch this to the plus. We need to attach positive and negative wires as shown in the video. Then you can turn the switch on to check your circuit connection. This LED indicator indicates the level of battery. So we had two cells fully charged, so that's why it is showing all bars as a green color. Here we need one TT motor which adds up to 3 to 6 volt. We connect same 2 cell power to it. We can connect a switch also, and here is the one simple wheel, and this is the one Mecanum wheel. So Mecanum wheel can rotate and move in the omnidirection. So first we connect the motor to our cell and switch circuit. First connect the normal wheel, then on the switch to check your motor connection. This is the Mecanum wheel. We can connect this wheel also to our TT motor. So as shown in the video, the wheel started.